Here's the AI video trap nobody warns you about. You make a clip, it's close, you ask for one tweak, and the whole thing regenerates into something totally different, every time. Google's Gemini Omni kills that loop. You don't regenerate, you just talk to your video and it edits in place. Let me show you exactly how, start to finish. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through it step by step, getting set up in Google Flow, generating your first clip, then editing it by conversation, layering in your own images and audio, and exporting. No fluff, just the workflow. Let's go. Step 1. Get into Flow. First thing, forget looking for an Omni app. It doesn't exist. Omni lives inside Google Flow, their creative studio. Head to Flow on the web or grab the mobile app and sign in with your Google account. Now the part that'll save you a headache. Those free 50 daily credits? They only work on VO, Google's other model, not Omni. So to actually use Omni, you need a paid plan, starting at Google AI Plus for $7.99 a month. Also, it's 18 plus only. Get that sorted, then check your credit balance in the settings gear before you do anything else. Step 2. Your first generation. Start a new project, pick video, and here's the one setting that matters most. Select Gemini Omni Flash as your model. Choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 if you're making a short. Now the fun part. Hit Add Media and drop in a reference. Say, a photo of a city street. Then in the prompt box, type something simple. A cat walks through this street at sunset. Hit Generate. Flow sends your image and prompt to Omni. You'll see a progress bar, and out comes a short clip, up to 4 seconds by default. And it's not just slapping a cat on a photo. Omni uses real physics, so the motion actually looks like motion. That's already better than most tools. But this is where it gets good. If you're following along, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel, and it costs you nothing. Step 3. Edit by conversation. Watch this. Instead of starting over, I just click back into the prompt box and type, make the cat's fur orange and add a glowing neon sign in the background. Generate. Omni takes the clip you just made and edits on top of it. The cat's the same cat. The camera move stays smooth. It just applies your change. That's the whole magic. Every instruction builds on the last one, so you're refining instead of re-rolling. Want rain? Add raindrops falling. Want drama? Add lightning flashes. It stacks, and your scene stays consistent the entire time. One thing to know, each edit costs 40 credits, so don't fire off 10 tiny tweaks when one good prompt does the job. Be specific the first time. Step 4. Stack your own inputs. Here's where Omni really separates itself. It's multimodal, which means you're not stuck with text. Start a fresh project. Upload a beach photo and an audio clip of ocean waves. Then prompt, turn this into a sci-fi beach party synced to the waves. Generate. Omni reads the image for the look, reads the audio for the rhythm, and blends both into one clip. Motion that actually moves with the sound. Drop a comment telling me what combo you'd try, because this is where people get the wildest results. Step 5. Go longer, then finish. Need more than the default? Jump into advanced settings and bump the length up to 10 seconds. That's Omni's max, and it'll cost 30 credits versus 25 for 8. Then use Flow's built-in tools to polish. Type overlays drops animated text on top, and there's a resizer for reframing. Stuck for ideas? The Flow agent in the sidebar will brainstorm edits for you. When it's ready, hit download and you've got a clip you can post anywhere. And since Omni's wired straight into YouTube Shorts, you can generate and publish in basically the same place. Just know every clip carries an invisible SynthID watermark, so it's always tagged as AI made. That's not a bug, that's transparency. That's the whole workflow. Pick Omni Flash and Flow, generate from a prompt or a reference, then edit by talking instead of regenerating. Layer in your own images and audio, push to 10 seconds, and export. The trick that makes Omni worth it isn't the generation, it's that you stop starting over. If this got you up and running, hit subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you want me to test next. See you in the next one.